Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be playing Power Drill Massacre. This game has been in early access for, I think this year it's going to be 10 years. Damn. Somebody really wanted me to play this game. You know who you are. So, let's finally check it out. Ah! Puppet Combo presents.
No comment.
If it's from Puppet Combo, it's already goated. Okay? It's already goated. That's just how it be. Oh. They flipped at least twice. This is the worst headache ever. You just got into a car wreck, and you're saying you have a headache. But I think I'm alright. It's getting dark. Better get the flashlight out of the trunk. Why is my screen white? Looks like we brought a flashlight with us. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. Da 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 da. Yeah. Yep. I was thinking about spitting beats, but I don't want to like burn your house down. All right, let's just take a look at Megan here. Okay, she looks like a Megan. We got the cloud sweater on. We got some jeans on. I guess we were trying to drive through the Grand Canyon. Guys, is this Aura? I had to grind for this view. Is this Aura? Watch. Yeah, that's Aura. Middle click for first person. That's actually really unique, but you have to hold it. It looks like a building in the distance. Maybe I can use the phone. Use the phone? Guys, which way do you prefer to hold a flashlight? Do you like to put it like next to your head? Do you like to hang it low and like have your thumb on the top of it like she has? Cause also, what the heck, bro? There's no way I'm lagging on a 10-year-old game, bro. Besides GTA. No way, bro. And a lot of foliage. Alright. We came across a factory of some sort. Maybe they make chicken nuggets. Maybe we'll get we'll get some free chicken nuggets. Oh, okay. The door is open. I forgot what voice I had for her. Go inside. You have to progress, I guess. What a creepy building. Yeah, what are we looking for? Ow. Before... Okay, I have to turn up my sensitivity once again. I think we know what that was. Hello? Hello? So the challenge for this video is to not get scared, because the person who recommended this game said I'm just scared to, and I'm not. So how about if I don't get scared? How about you guys hit the subscribe button? Looks like an article ripped out of a newspaper. The search continues for 2 missing campers in the Pocono Mountains. Mason C. Sargent and Lori Summers of Long Island, New York, have been missing since June 8th. Their campsite and belongings have been located, but investigators have few leads. Police say there are no visible signs of struggle, and this continues to be a rescue mission. The rest is missing. It's dated August 1982, 5 years ago. Okay, so that means that we're set in 1987. Stop with these noises, bro. I'm still lagging. I'm gonna get bullied so hard in the comments. The thing about Puppet Combo, they know how to make an atmosphere, bro. What? I'm either tweaking or I'm hearing other people's footsteps. A key. Blue key, like this is Hello Neighbor. Why are we... We're looking for a phone, right? It's a lock on the door. I feel like I'm being watched here. My footsteps are too loud, bro. I do not weigh this much, I promise. I can't be lagging on this, bro. Stop. Guys, don't make fun of me, bro. Potato. Okay, bro. Okay. Getting a computer getting cooked on a 10-year-old game. This is crazy. Speaking of, bro, they for real did a Bloxburg and like they're like early access. Wink, wink. Never gonna publish the game. Ah, I have to get all of them. I need 2 more. What the heck? Okay. Oh, oh my goodness! That's the thing, bro! Footsteps are the only thing that make me paranoid. Or not even paranoid, that's the only thing that creeps me out. Just, like, get off my back, bro! Get off my back, bro! Just start from the beginning? Bro, look how fast we run. We're not outrunning a cannibal, bro. Not happening. Bro. I mean, you guys still could, like, subscribe. Cause, okay, let me explain. Okay, let me explain. So basically, when I went down there and I heard footsteps, I was like, most horror games, they just trick you. So I just kept walking. And then I was like, they're not stopping. I can't tell what's my footsteps and what's... So... Bro, I can't. It's too loud, bro. This guy's cheating anyway. He's teleporting. Okay, so since this is like a challenge video, I don't think I'm gonna try to beat it. The beginning is faded. I can't read it. She's my little girl. We want her back, Wilbur said in a tearful plea. According to the Wilburs, Christian was playing near the bushes toward the edge of the campsite. We called her for dinner and she just wasn't there anymore. Police are looking at possibilities. Wildcat attacks are pretty common in this area, but her parents think that she was abducted. There was no bear or cat. We didn't hear any animals. Somebody grabbed her. Somebody took her from us. That's all it says. This game is doing too much, bro. No!
Ozo.
Ew. A key. Yeah, dude, I need to turn this down. Yeah, I thought this was like a scripted horror game. I didn't think it was actively prowling. No. Oh, but no, I want to see what that is. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, wow, you're an idiot. Please tell me I still have it. Like, thank you. I just realized there's a second upstairs. Stop! What the what is going on? Please. No, I don't want to read! Pocono vanishings. No trace of missing camper. April 4th, 1985. Since 1978, 12 campers have disappeared over a 100-mile stretch of the Pocono Mountains. We conduct dozens of rescue missions each year, says Park Ranger Charlie Plank. People come up here to camp and hike all the time without any experience. Accidents happen. While most rescues are successful, these 12 stumped the park rangers and local police. Campfires left burning, boots and jackets left behind. Campfires left. Oh, sorry, my bad. Campfires left burning. Boots and jackets left behind. Radio is still playing. It's like these people were ripped away from the campsite, says A. Bradley, who was involved in the search for. I can't read anymore. The sync has faded. Stop! Yeah, I'm dead. You're not me, bro. You're not me. You're not me. You're not me, bro. You wish you were me, bro. You wish you were me. If he teleports in front of me, I'm all for it. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm gonna end the video right now. Oh my gosh, I need one more. I need one more. My name is David Ashford. My address is 3656 Coburn Hollow Road, Deer Creek. That is the longest address. I think I'm going to die here. I'm hiding the snow in hopes someone will uncover and know the truth and what happened to us. Somebody came to our campsite in the middle of the night and didn't seem like the note was finished. I haven't seen him in so long. Sugar Tunnel. I remember that from a Corey video. I'm gonna try to get this last key, but then maybe I win. This is where I died last time, bro. I don't know what to do. I don't want to make any turns. It slows me down. Stop. Oh my gosh. I need a break real quick. Okay. Yep. Mm-hmm. Wait. Can I edit? Alright, we're back. Alright, much better. Let's see. He was camping in the bathroom, bro. Oh, I thought it was a baseball bat. Are you freaking kidding me, bro? What the? How much scared me as bad? Are you kidding? Yo, where the frick you go, bro? I have to go freaking bleach my computer now. Well, I'm ready for him if he comes back, bro. I'm ready for him. We locked in? Strange place for a flute. This ain't even fair, bro. This key could literally be inside this man's. I'll let you finish what I was gonna say. I'm starting to think that this blue key or green key doesn't exist. Just fabricated. No Subnautica. I've literally checked. Ah! Oh! The original building, the Sunshine Children's Orphanage, was built by Russell Moore, the eccentric millionaire inventor who rose to fame during World War II, later committed suicide after allegation of child abuse inside the facility. Moore left no will, and the property was forfeited to the state, which left it abandoned to a fire in 1975. He's right behind me, isn't he? Alright. I'm not reading this, bro. I'm about to die.